If you cannot wear your fine sleeveless clothes because you are ashamed of your black armpits, don't worry. I'm going to teach you what to do to make your armpits white. How to whiten your armpit. Thank you for clicking on Zara Naija. First, we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Two teaspoons. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll squeeze in 1 lemon. I'll squeeze the juice in. You see our juice, our lemon juice in it. And finally, a teaspoon of honey. Now mix everything together. Please press on that subscribe button so that you'll be amongst the first people that will get our beauty tips video fresh as we drop them. You are advised to put this paste on your armpit and stay with it for about 15 to 20 minutes before you wash it off, and immediately you see the result. You are advised to keep doing this until you achieve your desired result. Thank you for watching Zara Naija on YouTube. Please don't forget to watch our other interesting videos and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, all at Zara Naija. Thank you.